morning, we secondary students. Today definition multiplication mod of p. The previous definition what is addition mod of p. Addition mod of m means a plus b with respect to m. First you can addition of these two elements and comparing with that is total value of this m is equal or less than or highest ability. So in this case multiplication mod of p means first multiple of these two elements a into b. After you can compare it with this p value. So this is total value equal to p or less than p or greater than p. That is very important. So example, I am selecting a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3. What is p value? This is 7. This is the multiplication mod of p process. 2 3 are 6. So this is total 6 is less than to 7, you can directly write down. Otherwise equal to 7 or above value 7 you can must divide it and you can select the remainder value. So okay. So this is 2 3 is 6 directly write down. This side 7 into 3 with respect to 5. 7 3 what is 21. So greater than to this number. So you can must divide it. 5 4 20. So this is smaller remainder. So this is the process of multiplication mod of p. So okay, next question. G is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 is an abelian group with respect to cross 5. Means this is p is equal to given 5. P is equal to 5. So applying the Taylor table. So what is cross 5? You can select it. Elements 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is and what is G is given set form 1, 2, 3, 4 and P is equal to 5. So you can prove that G is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 cross 5 by the operation is an abelian group. Properties: closure, association, identity, inverse and complement. First, you can draw the Taylor table and apply the formula A cross B with respect to P. And by using multiplication mod of P. First, 1 into 1, 1 into 2, 2, 1 into 3, 3, 1 into 4, 4. So less than to 5 numbers and direct write out. Next, 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 2 3 are 6. So 2 into 3 with respect to 5. 2 3 are what is 6. So 6 is big number, it is 5. So 5 1 is 5, remainder is 1. Next 2 4 is 8. So is big number to 5. 2 4 is 8. So 5 1 is 5. What is remainder? 3. This is smaller one. Next 3 1 is 3. 3 2 is 6. You can make remainder 1. 3 3 is 9. So applying the process with respect to 5. 3 3 is 9. This is 5 1 is 5. Remainder is 4. So this is 4. Next 3 4 is 12. 3 4 is respect to 5. 3 4 is 12. So 5 2 is 10. Remainder is 2. So okay. Next 4 1 is 4. 4 2 is 8. 8 means remainder is 3. 4 3 is 12. Remainder is 2. 4 4 is 16. 4 into 4, 4 4 plus 16, you can must divide by respect to 5. 5 3 the 15, remainder is 1. So this is a complete the theory table process. So next you can apply the closure law, associative identity and inverse. Okay. In this case, G equal to what is given elements 1, 2, 3, 4. In this box we can compare it to all elements, only these elements, not another elements. So 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, not another elements. Okay. So what is the identity element means in this table? 1 cross 5, this is given binary operation. Identity element is 1. So this is identity element. In this side identity element, in this side identity element, in this side identity element. Okay. So first you can select it closure law. A comma B belongs to G. A cross B with respect to P. This total belongs to. You can apply the any elements. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1. 1 into 1, what is 1? This total belongs to B. So make associative law. This is closure law. You can select the elements, any elements. Associative law. What is formula? By previous you can select A plus B. This side A into B with respect to P into C with respect to D. A of B cross C with respect to P with respect to P. So you can select any element A, B, C and you can apply the LHS projects. Next, closure associative identity. Identify what is A cross E with respect to P is equal to A. So E is a 1 in this problem. Identity equal to 1. Closure associative identity and inverse. What is inverse? A cross B with respect to P is equal to E. So B is the inverse of A. In this case, what is the element 1? So this 1 is the inverse of this one element. Next 3 is the inverse of 2. Next 2 is the inverse of 3. Next 4 is the inverse of 4. So next last one commutative. Commutative law what is? A cross B with respect to P is equal to B cross A with respect to C. So you can substitute the AB values and total all condition is satisfied. So therefore G is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, common cross 5 is an abelian group. So this is a process of addition model or multiplication model. In these elements you can select, in this case A, B, C values you can select any elements, that is total result will come to the set form, not other elements. So this is the process. Next to definition. So G is equal to 1 comma minus 1 is a group, and what is order means how many elements in the set form? 1, 2. So order of G is equal to 2. So you can select it. G is equal to 1 minus 1 I minus I. How many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4. Order of G is equal to 4. Okay. Next definition. Order of an element. This is order of G means number of elements in the given set form. So that is you can direct to counting and order. Order of G is equal to order of G is equal to 4. Next, order of an element means in the set form you can select an element and you can find out the order. Any element, this side 1, this side minus 1, and you can find out the order. Means order of 1 and order of minus 1. In this set form 1 minus 1 I minus I. You can find out the order, each element. Order of 1, order of minus 1, order of I, order of minus I. So what is the main definition means? Order of element. Order of element of a group G. So definition means very easy. G comma dot is a group and you can select elements a belongs to G. This condition must be satisfied. A power of n equal to E. This is element. This n value you can select it 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 1. And E is ident element. Given the set form G comma dot, first we can select an ident element. That is important. Any set form is given, first you can choosing the ident element, that is small e. So this is a power of n. A means element. On the set form given, each element you can take a is equal to and apply the power, that is must equal to ident element. So this implies order of a is equal to n. This n is a order of n. Each element order of a equal to n. So in this case, so G comma G is equal to 1 minus 1. So what is ident element? 1. So with respect to dot, nothing but multiplication. G comma dot is a group. Okay, group. How many elements? 1 minus 1. So you can find out the each order, means order of 1 you can find out and order of minus 1 you can find out. So what is the definition means? A power of n equal to E. Okay. In this set form, G equal to minus 1 plus 1. What is ident element means? This is binary operation, is multiplication. Binary operation, multiplication, what is ident element? 1. Binary operation plus ident element is 0. So this is very important. So I am selecting ident element is equal to 1. Next to apply this definition. A power of n equal to E. Order of A is equal to n. This is definition of order of an element formula. So first you can select A equal to 1. A is equal to 1. Okay. So applying this condition, A power of n means 1 power of what is ident element? 1. So you can select it 1 power of 1 is equal to 1. So therefore order of 1 is equal to 1. Nothing but n value of is 1. So first element 1 is, and what is order? Order of 1 equal to 1. Next another element what is? Minus 1. So minus 1, this is equal to, you can given powers. So minus 1 power of 1 minus 1, that is not equal to ident element. Minus 1 power of 2 minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. So that is not E value. So what is E equal to 1? So minus 1 power of 2 means plus 1. So order of minus 1 is equal to 2. So this is the process. You can select any element and given powers, that is must equal to ident element. So that is order. Order of minus 1 equal to 2. Another problem. G is equal to 1 minus 1 I minus I is a group, and you can find out the each element order. So what is ident element? E equal to 1. So applying the definition, what is the order of element? A power of n equal to 1. So total 4 elements, each element you can find out the order. First A is equal to 1, second A is equal to minus 1, third A is equal to I, next A is equal to minus I. Each element you can find out the order. So what is definition? A power of n equal to E, order of A is equal to n. So A equal to 1 means 1 power of 1. So this is ident element. So final order of 1 equal to 1. Next what is A equal to minus 1? Nothing but minus 1 you can n value you can select it 2. N value you can select it direct 2. So minus 1 power of 2 means 1. So order of minus 1 is equal to 2. So first element order of 1 is equal to 1. Second element order of minus 1 equal to 2. Next element what is? A equal to I. First I am selecting I power of 1. What is I? This is does not equal to ident element 1. Next to n equal you can increase it. I power of 2. I square means minus 1. This is not equal to ident element. Next I power of 3. N is equal to 3. I power of 3 means I square into I. Minus 1 into I. This is equal to minus I. So not equal to ident element. Next I power of 4. I power of 4 means I square into I square. I square means minus 1, I square means minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. This is must be equal to added element. So I power of 4 is equal to 1. That is equal to added element. Stop the process. So what is the value of 4? So order of I is equal to 4. So this is the third element order of I equal to 4. So this is the entrance point of view important. Given G equal to 1 minus 1, I minus I, and asking any element. Element I, what is order? So this is process. So element is A equal to I. What is order of I equal to 4? Next last element A equal to minus I. So minus I equal to selected power 1, minus I equal to selected power 2, minus I equal to selected power 3, minus I equal to selected power 4. So this is must equal to identical or not? Minus I power of 1 means minus I. This is not equal to identical. Minus I whole square means minus plus I square means minus 1. This is not equal to identical. And next one, minus I power of 3 means minus into minus total minus I power of 3 means I square into I. So I square means minus 1 into I minus I. So total I, this is not equal to identical. So last n equal to 4 equal substitute. Small n equal to 4. Minus I power of 4 means minus I into minus I. Total minus into minus plus into minus into minus plus. Okay. Minus power of 4 means positive. Next I power of 4 means okay. Minus I into minus I. Total is positive. So minus I power of 4. Minus plus I into I square. This side minus into minus plus minus I into I square. I square means minus 1, I square means minus total 1. This must be equal to identical. So last element minus I power of 4 is equal to 1. Stop the process. What is element minus I? What is the value 4? So order of minus I is equal to 4. So this is the method of given any set form, we can find out the each element order. This is process. So important definition short answer be. So group definition and order of group and order of an element, each element. So this is the process. Okay, thanks.